Hi everyone! I am here at my new listing in the Bent Pine Country Club, and what's special about this home is that it is in a deed-restricted, gated community on the west side of Vero Beach, but still close to shopping, schools, just a short drive to the beaches, and if you're a golfer, the country club and the golf course are right up the street. Hi, I'm Strazzulla, and I'm with the Reynolds team at One Sotheby's International Realty, and lots of people are moving to Florida. They come and visit Florida. Lots of them come for the sun, the sand, the ocean, but there are a lot of people that come to Vero Beach because of our fabulous golf communities. When the Bent Pine Golf Club opened in 1973, it was named after a distinctive tree on the 18th fairway and quickly gained world-class status as one of the masterpieces of renowned golf course architect John Lee. Now, he is the architect that is behind the Disney golf courses. The Bent Pine community encompasses approximately 220 acres surrounded by lush landscapes and ancient live oaks. This spacious home at 5880 Clubhouse Drive boasts of just over 3,500 square feet of living space and is tucked back on over 3/4 of an acre lot in Bent Pine between the 7th and 8th fairway of the golf course. It's got 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. All the rooms are large in this home, lots of closet space. There is a formal dining room, a formal living room, and a family room, and there is a dual fireplace that is set between these 2 rooms. And it's got the biggest pantry I've ever seen in a home. And now let's talk about the backyard and the pool. The pool is an 18-foot by 40-foot with travertine tile all around it. There's fountains, it's lighted, it's got beach entry access, and it's got slots to put umbrellas in so that you can sit in the shade even while you're out in the backyard. And the best part about it is it's being heated, so no matter what the temperature is, any time of the year, you can feel comfortable in the pool.